Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PGA Tour stuck on loading screen. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to graphics settings, enable this option, hardware accelerated, and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now just wait and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and after that restart your computer and then go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates, and that's it. Just if you find an update here, download it and then install it, and go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.